In today's video, I'll teach you how to download and install CamScanner in PC or laptop. So first of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in this link www.camscanner.com/download. Press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of CamScanner. From here, you'll be able to find the download link. You can see over here, you'll be able to download the CamScanner app for mobile, for PC, PDF, online tools, etc. Click on this option for PC. Now after you do that, the setup for the CamScanner will be downloaded. What you have to do is simply click on it and start the download process. Simply wait for a while until the CamScanner app is set up on your device. After you do that, CamScanner will be downloaded in the PC or laptop and you'll be able to use it. So that is how you download and install CamScanner in PC or laptop. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.